how to remove account on Snapchat or how to remove Snapchat account on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily remove account from Snapchat on iPhone device. Now the process is similar on Android device as well, so make sure you stay tuned to the video till the end. Now first things first, you want to simply open up your Snapchat, right? Once you open up your Snapchat, here you should get an interface like this. What you want to do is here you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you should get an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen and you should get an interface like this. Now here scroll all the way down below until you find the option to log out. You can see under account actions the fourth option or the last option, log out. You want to simply tap on log out and it'll ask you for confirmation. You want to simply tap on log out again, and once you tap on log out, here you can see your profile and you can see my profile there, profile information, and with my profile and with my username, and below username you can see the remove account option. You want to simply tap on remove account and it'll ask you for confirmation saying you want to remove this account. Are you sure you want to remove saved login credentials? You want to simply tap on yes and your saved account will be removed. So this way you can remove account on Snapchat on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.